Yes, hello every fans lo World Cup lo 26. Here imi ba interview nara friend lo here ba em talem nemblem seleva and which team na em support team. Aya use have a story kam lo mival everyone.
Uh, well, first name will be Richard Siding, me student Bashino, me school Bashino, me taking bachelor, primary, and me, but this for World Cup, team Blomina, Argentina. Argentina have no first time for me support him, since me small boy yet, me lo 98, time Argentina lo World Cup, me still support him, go take a World Cup, go Kasim this time, me still with him Argentina. No any team but me support him apart from Argentina. Still Argentina yet Kasim this time.
Why now you have to support him that fala team?
That's what team if you look at World Cup, they are totally a little bit different from other teams here. How to play, ball handlings, and what about play smooth too much, yeah? No same other team like Brazil. Hey, what they play around and rava natin. Sometimes you touch him mano, kasi leg break long time now. But you look at Argentina, you look at Messi time and play. No matter fall down, him easily get up and run goal. I'm not like too. I'm not be para admiring that for team.
So what now any last talk you like talem for kata fans where you vala lo same team?
For fans believe those who may support him Argentina or Solomon Island, lo foco na sila Solomon Island bilang tukol sa mga support him team believe Argentina, you know, looks lo side box sa team, support him other teams, but hope no ba ibi put him back up stay home no more, then auto goes. So no perform the World Cup no more, they not come back. Couple by still stay back no more. Argentina for life.
So yeah,
Yeah.
you have a dream any kind skills. I mean skills lo how what's have a kicking ball.
Oh yes, me that they want is me small boy me barfan suno. Argentina. So time Argentina are playing, look out ba. Time Argentina for the front of me. Argentina for life. Thank you very much everyone. Keep supporting Argentina. Thank you very much.